Welcome back to Just Shake or Steer. My name is George and I hope you're keeping well, guys. It's nice to be back. I've already come back with one video, and if you missed, I was away for a little bit fixing my computer problems when we obviously have a bigger problem at the moment, but because of lack of enough power in my machine, I had to stop doing the videos because it was taking ages to render any of the videos. So everything is back to normal now and I'm back. A few days ago I did Lindstedt cocktail, very easy to prepare at home, and I'm keeping the tradition because I know many of you probably are stuck at home in this certain time when we all don't have a Scooby-Doo what's happening and how long it's gonna be. So I'm gonna try to keep it this way, prepare cocktails with ingredients which you may have at home, or at least you can probably swap something and create something on your own. Today I have a very easy and very yummy cocktail. So for all of you who loves tequila, this is your drink, guys. The cocktail is called Lolita and it's based on tequila. Basically it's just tequila with some lime juice and honey and aromatic bitters. That's all it is. And yes, it's a cocktail because we have the spirit, we have the bitter, we have the sweet, we have the sour, everything in one glass. Very easy to make, and the beauty of this cocktail is if you're a family or a big group of people, you can easily prepare the cocktail and batch it or make it in a big jug or a jar and just serve and enjoy the evening. So make yourself tequila happy hour probably. If you're stuck at home, that's one way to pass the time. So let's start making it. As I say, originally it's made with silver tequila. I have two bottles here. I'm not gonna use both, but just wanted to show you. I am using Cascabel tequila. Obviously silver tequila you can use any because we're gonna mix it with the honey. But if it's happened, you've seen it or you have where to buy it, or you can order it online, or I don't know, somehow get it. I know it's available on Amazon, don't know if it's available worldwide. They do Cascabel honey tequila. It's fantastic, so you can totally avoid your honey and you can just do with the honey tequila. And the latest one I've seen, they just released coconut tequila, which I can't wait to try that. But anyway, Lolita, it's an old cocktail. I picked it up from a book from the 1970s, the World Encyclopedia of Bartending or Cocktails or something that it's called. Now let's make it proper. Yeah, the complete World Bartender Guide. Okay, so this is the book. As you can see, it's heavily used mine. It's one of the first edition, I think, from the 70s, and it's one of my favorite book because it's have over 2,400 recipes inside, but it's very nice separate on a drinks alphabetic order, have non-alcoholic, low calorie cocktails and etc. And it's a fantastic copy. If you can find it, I'm pretty sure it's available to buy. If you can find it, get it for yourself because there's lots of things inside you can try and they're fantastic. And today this is the cocktail Lolita coming from this book. So what we need here, it's of course our shaker, some ice in it. Now usually I put the ice in the end, but because this cocktail it's going very quick shake, it doesn't matter if it's diluted a little bit more, it's absolutely fine. So I'm gonna chill the shaker. Before I shake, what I'm gonna do, still have some water. Now if you use the Cascabel tequila or any tequila which is with honey, obviously you can avoid the honey, so you don't need to worry about it. But if you use normal tequila, make sure you have a running honey. How fantastic sounds that. Anyway, mine it's a little bit thick, so a bar spoon of honey we're gonna put, and then just a dash of lemon or lime juice. In my case, I like to have a little bit more because of the sweetness of the honey. So I'm gonna use 15 ml. This is a lime juice. I do suggest to you, if you have a limes, use lime with the honey, because lime, it's not that much zesty and citrusy like the lemon. It's a little bit on the sweet side, so it's balancing very nice with honey. But if you have lemons, it's absolutely fine. We're so far having a very healthy drink in the shaker. Honey and lemon. Put some hot water and that's it. Anyway, give it a little stir. Just a little bit, so you can help this honey dissolve, because when you shake it, obviously the ice is gonna chew everything and it's gonna tie up the honey if you didn't stir it in advance. So that will do. It's perfect. Then, because I'm making the original recipe, obviously I'm not gonna use the honey because it's gonna be too much honey. A 40 ml of your silver tequila. There you go. And 3 to 4 dashes of Angostura bitter, depends how bitter you want to be. You can increase. I usually do 2 or 3 dashes. So 1, 2, 3. That's it. Don't need any more. Still happy. That's the problem with these bottles. You never know when it's gonna finish with this big label. Anyway. Let's don't go away from the subject. Put it all in. And let's give it a shake. Now the beauty of these cocktails, they don't require garnish at all. They're just made to enjoy as they are. So don't worry about if you have garnish, but if you want to go fancy, get a slice of lemon or something, just put it on it, whatever you decide. A big cube of ice, if you have. If not, just put some nice ice inside. As well, you can use crushed ice if you prefer to, you know, I mean, this kind of a feel with the crushed ice staying for longer. It's absolutely fine. I do like the nice cube of ice inside. Strain in your glass. This lovely, if you watch my video from Linstead, you can see it here. Is it here? Let me think. No, I think it's this side. Yes, I think it's this side. Anyway, one of the sides, I'm gonna put card link to the video, or just you can go to, you know, my channel and just have a look at it. But this is it. That's Lolita. Very simple. Look at that. A beauty. It's wonderful, isn't it? It doesn't need any garnish. As I said, if you feel a little bit fancy, you can grab like a lemon, dehydrated lemon if you have, or a slice of lemon, and you can just garnish it. For me, I'm happy with a good drink in the glass. So let's just try this. It smells beautiful. You can feel the tequila smell and the agave, but the honey is coming through as well. Oh, that's a heaven, seriously. You have the strength of the tequila, but it's so softened from the honey, and then the citrus kick on to balance the sweetness and the tequila, and finally a touch of bitter from the Angostura. It just amazed me how a few ingredients can create something so delightful to drink and so enjoyable. And if you have tequila at home, try it, guys. I know you may not have the Angostura bitter, but if you have tequila and honey and lemon, come on, you gotta give it a go, okay? It's just wonderful drink. So there you go. There you have it, as I say. My name is George, this is Just Shake or Stir, and I hope you're keeping safe. Stay safe, guys. Look after each other, respect, and yeah, do the best of this time, whatever you can, and give it a go. Give it a little like, or if you like what's happening on this channel, subscribe, because I'm gonna make more and more videos, and I'll try to keep you entertained during the period of time which we all stuck home together. Stay safe again, I love you and I leave you. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.